When weapons launch confirmed, rules of engagement shift from deterrent to assured kill. Minimize own losses. Acknowledge.
Cobra 11. Shield 01 calling. Bearing 105.
Range 180 kilometers. 4 contacts suspected Rafales. Immediate verification required.
Cobra 11 copies. ECM pod analyzing target EM signatures. Target radar signatures and data link comms intercepted. Confirmed as 101 Squadron Rafales. Commencing jamming operations.